How to sign in into HomeDepot.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can sign in into the HomeDepot.com. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing first, open up your browser in any of your devices, either your laptop or mobile. After that, just search for Home Depot, and you'll be able to see the very first link that says HomeDepot.com. So what you need to do is simply click on that link and you'll be easily able to find the sign in option. So what you're gonna do is simply click on sign in if you don't have an account. After that, go on with the process like using your email address, either your phone number or other accounts such as Facebook. So just go on with the process. After that, set up your account, enter your email address if you're using an email address. After that, maybe your date, and then enter the password, confirm your password, and go on with the verification process by typing in the code that you receive on your email. Just follow the steps and you should be able to easily sign in into the HomeDepot.com and log in into your account. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.